Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Amidst a COVID-19 threat in Jamaica, another health crisis is looming.
Officials in Westmoreland are concerned about the reemergence of polio in Jamaica. Shamela Pullen tells us why.
These images from the Pan American Health Organization show the severity of polio. The polio virus affects children under 5 years old. It causes paralysis and can even lead to death. Jamaica eliminated polio in 1982, but that now is under threat. In Westmoreland, health officials are concerned.
We continue to send out the alert for polio. Some of our children are not adequately immunized with the polio vaccine, and so we are on a drive to encourage them to bring the vaccination cards, the child health and development passport to your nearest health center so we can check it to see if your child is missing any polio vaccination doses. Because
Medical Officer of Health for Westmoreland, Dr. Marcia Graham, says the health team will be visiting schools to ensure that children in the parish are protected.
We are encouraging our educational institutions. I know COVID caused a disruption in a lot of things, to keep a record of the immunization card on the school file, because schools can be fined if they are admitting children to school who are not adequately immunized for age.
Recently, the Ministry of Health raised alarm about the low take-up of key vaccines which protect against diseases like measles, mumps, rubella, and polio. It is feared that this is a result of the spreading of misinformation about the COVID-19 vaccines. As a result, a number of persons are skeptical about the effectiveness of previous immunization programs. Public health specialist Dr. Alveston Bailey believes this sets a dangerous precedent.
They need to get themselves informed about the safety and efficacy of the vaccines, and to recognize that these childhood illnesses have been very low for many years around the world, and almost none exist in Jamaica. If we stop vaccination, then we will see an upsurge in polio, in measles, in mumps, in diphtheria, and that will be most unfortunate because these infections are deadly. And our children have been enjoying good health due to vaccination.
To date, there are only 2 polio endemic countries in the world. They are Afghanistan and Pakistan. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.